In this video, we will demonstrate how to capture temporary total disablement, TTD, also referred to as days off. Before you begin, ensure that the claim has been acknowledged, liability has been accepted, earnings have been captured. Once signed in, from the landing page, click on the Claims tab to view the list of claims. Select the claim you will be working on from the list. Alternatively, if you have the claim number, navigate to the search bar, enter the claim number, and once the claim loads, from the Actions column, click on the ellipsis and select View. Scroll down to the Claims for Employee section. Click on the eye icon to view more details. Under Claim, you will land on Invoices. From the Invoice drop-down, select Days Off. Click the Add Invoice icon to begin. A new window will open displaying the medical report, estimates, and the invoice details form. The estimate's days off in this example is 9 days. You need to select the medical report before you start completing the date fields. Select the relevant medical report by ticking the checkbox. Then complete all mandatory fields marked with an asterisk. Upload the required supporting documents as demonstrated. In this example, the medical report already includes recorded days off. Only the dates reflected on the medical report attached will be available on the calendar. All other dates will be grayed out. If no medical report exists, only the current date will be available for selection. Once all mandatory fields have been completed, click Save. A success message will confirm that the invoice has been captured. The claim owner will be notified to proceed with the next steps. You can view the captured invoice by clicking on the eye icon, which opens a detailed view of the information you captured. Notes. Notes are used to record key information related to the handling and progress of a claim, including actions taken, decisions made, and follow-ups. If notes already exist, they will be visible here. To add a note, click the Add icon. In the pop-up window, select the category and type from the drop-down list. Capture your note and click Save. Once saved, the note will appear on the page and can be viewed or edited if further updates are required. To edit saved notes, click the Edit icon, make your changes, and then click Save. The updated text will then be visible. And that concludes how to capture TTDs and notes.